Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you my favorite stretches for an easier and faster labor. When I'm in pain from my baby being so low and being engaged for so long, these exercises help me so much. Also, whenever I get tailbone pain or just general lower back pain, they help me so much. If I feel like I'm tired and sleepy, they give me more energy. Whenever my muscles and joints feel really stiff, they help me so much. So these stretches are basically a godsend, and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. Of course, if you're pregnant, it's important to ask your midwife or doctor if it's safe for you to exercise. I've been exercising for years, so for me, it's completely natural to just keep doing that. But it's important to be on the safe side. All of these stretches literally take me just a few minutes, and I do them pretty much every single day. If I do my normal exercises on that day, I will just finish with the stretches, or I'll just do stretches alone if it's my rest day. So these are all of my stretches. I hope that you try this routine yourself and let me know how that goes. If you're pregnant, about to give birth, all the best for you. I hope you're going to have an amazing, empowering experience. Let me know how it goes for you. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.